Hi there, the purpose of this video is to show you how to make your participants, your students in your teams into attendees so that they can't mute you or boot each other out. Here's how. First, you're going to go to the calendar and you're going to establish a new meeting. Alright, so now you would type in your title of your meeting, alright, and you would set the parameters. So I'm going to say that I want to make this meeting on September 4th at 9 o'clock a.m. And you set everything up how you want it to be. You invite whichever channel or whichever group of students you want. Alright, I'm just going to do Fowler's class and general. Now I'm going to go ahead and send. So now that the meeting has been created, if I click back on the meeting, I can see these meeting options showing up. And if I click on the meeting options, it's going to take me to the browser, and it's going to give me the ability to edit some of the settings to the meeting before it happens. So, who can bypass the lobby? What this means is that people can start the meeting before you get there. We don't want that. So we're going to say only me, meaning the organizer. For who can present, we want to make sure this does not say everyone. This says only me. What that means is that students are going to be attendees. They are not going to be able to take control of the screen. They're not going to be able to mute others and kick others out. This is going to make sure that you have the full rights to your own team session. So what this will in effect do is allow you to have complete powers over your teams and prevent students from possible antics that could cause the session to take the focus off learning.